YG fans, I'm here with Vanessa, and today we are going to be showing you a Luciana hairstyle that you can find on the American Girl website and catalog. And this hairstyle is the double braids. And so what you'll need to do this hairstyle on your American Girl doll is an American Girl brush, a water bottle spray, and some elastics. So the first thing you're going to do for this hairstyle is you're going to part your doll's hair in half. So you're going to take your finger down the middle of your doll's head and part it in half. You want to make sure you have an even amount. And then you're going to spritz your doll's hair with some water. And just lightly brush it out for any of those little knots or tangles. And then what you're going to do, you're going to split this piece of hair into 3 equal sections. Once you have done so, you're going to take part number 3, there's 1, 2, 3, and put it over part number 2, which is in the middle. And then you're going to take part number 1 and put it over the new part number 2. And at the top you want to make sure it's smooth so it can be a nice slick hairstyle. And then you're going to repeat. So the part closest to your face and put it over the middle. And then the part furthest away from her face and put it over the middle. And you're just going to repeat that all the way down until you have run out of hair to braid. And this is a very fun hairstyle for Luciana. And now you're going to grab an elastic of your color, of your choice of color. I'll grab this purple one. And once you're done tying that off, you can fluff out the braid to make it a little bit thicker. Just like that. The first half of the hairstyle is done. Now you're going to come over to this side. What you're going to do is spritz it with water. You want to cover your doll's eyes. You do not want water in her eyes. And then you're going to lightly comb it. Once you have all that done, you're just going to repeat what you did on the other side. So you want 2 even as possible sections and start braiding. So the part closest to her face, you want to put it over the middle, and then the part furthest away from her face, you want to put it over the middle. It's a matter of taking the outside piece into the inside. You want to make sure there's no lumps in the hair. There it is. And then you're going to hold it until you get your elastic. And then fluff it out to make it look thicker. And there you have Luciana's braids. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of my AG videos. And comment down below if you'll do this hairstyle on your American Girl doll. Bye!